Hi, I'm Mark and this is Suzette. We're homeowners in Kew in the suburbs of Melbourne. We live here with our 2.5-year-old Labrador cross, Ali.
I'm Sean Clancy from Clancy Constructions, the director. We do custom architectural houses in Melbourne.
We bought this house in 1994 and lived in it for a few years before we moved offshore for about 20 odd years.
It was just your typical, single fronted Edwardian place with a skillion roof on the back of it.
In 2016, when we decided to return back to Australia, the thought process was, do we sell this place and look for something else, or would we renovate here?
We'd always thought that we were going to just chop the back of the house off and just take it to the tip because it was terrible. It's just to look at it now and just compare the two. It's like chalk and cheese, and it's pretty exciting to look back on because we've kept all the old photos.
I think that the reference to Scandi Barn is clear. It has the pitch of the roof. It also really complements the existing roof that was on the old part of the house, so it marries the heritage.
I wanted it very neutral. Jokingly, I'm a Collingwood supporter, so this just fitted in beautifully with me.
We were looking for a minimalist approach, if you want to call it that, in that there was a place for everything.
The look of this project, it looks quite simple, but to achieve the sharp lines, the pitch roofs, everything to line up, it was very challenging to do it, but with the architect and our team we were able to achieve that, and having the matrix product that you could adapt on site just helped the whole process even more.
Things that really appealed to us about Matrix, I think, was that it is very contemporary. The shadow line that's in the frame makes it look really sleek. We felt that with the paint that we applied to it, it actually created a really generous feel for the back of the house. And at the front, it complemented beautifully with the heritage aspect of the original house.
The matrix installation detail and process is very easy. The carpenters on site can complete it from start to finish. They batten the walls out, they cut the cladding and then they install it, and then it's ready for painting straight away. So it's able to get done in an efficient manner, and it's easy for the guys on site to work with.
It was great working with Sean. I think his entire team really, really care about the projects they work on. The quality of workmanship we felt was extremely high.
Well, we were only living around the corner, so we were literally 5 minutes away. So we were popping in. We didn't want to intrude, but you can't help it. You get so excited about it. We saw the roof going up, we saw the cladding going up.
I love lots of aspects of it. I can actually just sit outside here and look up at the back of the property, and I really do like the way in which it really presents itself here. I
mean, Mark and I are really keen gardeners, so it was always one of the #1 priorities for us to be able to have that indoor-outdoor scenario.
Well, maintenance for us has been really, really simple and quite easy. As an example, 3 or 4 weeks ago we had a big dust storm that blew in from the Mallee, and it deposited red earth all over everything.
We had to scrub the front of the house, which is weatherboards, but when it came to the matrix, I just used a damp cloth and just wiped it, and it just came straight off. And it dries in no time. It doesn't retain the moisture either, so it's fantastic. Since we've moved in, we've had quite a few people just stop me in the garden and say, look, I just have to tell you what a lovely job it's been done. Mark was flipping through some photos, and I didn't realise that it was our place he was looking at, and I looked over his shoulder and I thought, wow, that looks great. And then I've taken a double take and it's the back of our house, and I'm thinking, wow, I just need to keep looking at this, and realising it really is quite beautiful.